Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial in our YouTube channel. First of all, we show you this pattern, amazing pattern in PowerPoint. So let's start our lesson without wasting time. First of all, we go to PowerPoint file, control and new slide open. Go to layout, blank and close thumbnail. Control V, copy colors from previous file. Right click here and go to format background. Go to zoom out and eyedrops, fill eyedrops background color, and again draw here swimming section. Format and fill shape 0.75 and 0.75 and fill shape no color. Fill shape outline eyedrop and draw here dark color. Insert here top corner and control D, control shift and press here is again. Copy and paste again and again. Zoom in, control D, and insert adjust size. Again select all, hold control and shift and drag. Again and again. To complete this task, I pause video and complete this task. As I see here, select last row and hold control and shift key and drag now. Drag now and complete the task. Smoothly work. So I humbly request to you kindly give us your valuable feedback in comment section, and new visitor please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. F5 press and see our work. Thanks.